For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on your Thursday, August 15th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following at this hour. Nearly $8 million in grants are coming to Vermont from the Northern Border Regional Commission, with $1 million of the total coming to Brattleboro. The Brattleboro Development Credit Corporation will be granted the money to design and permit a biomass combined heat and power energy plant at Long Falls Paperboard. The grant announcements were made in Springfield by Governor Scott, Senator Leahy, and Congressman Welch. Today is the deadline for the first installment of the 2019 real estate and personal property taxes in Brattleboro. Late payments will have an additional 1% interest added to the unpaid balance. The utility billing is also due today, with late payments assessed an additional 1% interest, as well as an 8% penalty added to the unpaid balance. Payments can be mailed to the town of Brattleboro, 230 Main Street, Suite 111, Brattleboro, Vermont, 05301. The first results of Vermont's statewide effort to test drinking water for lead at schools and child care facilities have been made public on a new website created by the Department of Environmental Conservation. 440 public and independent schools and more than 1,200 licensed or registered child care facilities are due to test every tap used for drinking or cooking before December of 2020. When lead is detected at or above 4 parts per billion, the school or child care provider is required to stop using those taps for drinking or cooking and take corrective action to reduce the amount of lead in the water as required by Act 66, which was signed into law by Governor Scott in June. The Vermont Department of Forests, Parks, and Recreation and the Center for Rural Studies at the University of Vermont are conducting an online survey to gather input from all Vermonters regarding outdoor recreation. The survey will help develop Vermont's next statewide comprehensive outdoor recreation plan. A public meeting to gather input for the plan will be held this Monday at the Brattleboro Fire Station between 6 and 8 p.m. WTSA Sports, it's been quite the week for the Boston Red Sox own Rafael Devers. Devers homered and singled last night, extending his robust hit streak to 8 straight at-bats. By the way, that was an afternoon game yesterday, sorry. Xander Bogaerts connected twice. The Boston Red Sox beat the Cleveland Indians 5-1 yesterday afternoon. The Sox have an off day today before returning to Fenway to host the Baltimore Orioles tomorrow night. Speaking of those Orioles, they're psyched they don't have to play the Yankees anymore. Gary Sanchez hit a 3-run homer, and the Yankees beat Baltimore for the 16th straight time this year. They beat the O's 6-5 yesterday. The Yankees host Cleveland tonight. Chad Green on the mound for New York with the first pitch from the Bronx at 7:05. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, August 15th, my name is Ian Kelly.